Hey Kelly, this is John. I was just letting you know I'm back here on the golf course and I shot a deer, so I'm looking for a blood trail now.
2 shots and at least a mile. I finally got her.
I'll go over here and help him drag his doe out. Oh, it's like a Morgan County cow.
Come down the hill, seen a deer standing there, was looking in the scope, didn't look hurt. So I said, well, then it took off running. Didn't even run like it was hurt. Look at that. That was my second shot. The leg. I was down there at that building. She was up there. My second shot. Now look.
From the building?
Yeah, from that building right there.
Oh.
Listen. Jumped her. I come down the back of the pond. Almost stepped on her. She swam. She run. After he jumped her, she run back, laid down over here by the pond bank. I circled around, was sitting there. She gets up, runs over here and swims all the way across. Yeah, the guy with the red beard, he met me, took me back up to my truck. He was coming down as I was walking out. And I said, yeah, I got her. She's laying up there. She dropped as soon as I shot. I hit her right behind the front shoulder. It's just the bullet blew out by the front of the leg.
I had one deer coming there. I couldn't get a good shot. I was going to try to shoot it, but
I get up here, she's still alive. I load my gun, no bullets. And I had my gutting knife, which it ain't very sharp, you know.
There we go.
Yeah. 2 shots and at least a mile. I finally got her. I'm pulling a page out of some of my hunting buddies' books.
Yeah.
Red tip center.
Yeah. Sound like me. He said the thing jumped up like a quail.
I walked, there was an old guy.
There must have been a hell of a bunch of them over. Must be a lot of mass down low. There ain't nothing up high.
I mean, I saw 2 big does.
There was a guy, there's a ravine. He was sitting right, I think he ran one to me, and I got down on my tree stand, and it was within range, but I didn't want to get a bad shot. I was like, well, I was going to shoot. If it came there 20 yards broadside, oh yeah, but I wasn't where I wanted to be at. I should have went down another 50, 60 yards, but I was going to move, and then I went down, and then, well, there's a damn guy standing there. He spooked it up.
Yeah.
So, well, here.
Sorry, I got it, guys. Yeah, I got it.
I'll get you on the flat a little bit. them scrapes and stuff are old.
And then that old boy showed up. I said, I got one laying up here. I said, I'm gonna walk back up here and get the truck. He said, no, you ain't. He said, hop in. I said, man.
Well, he did say, because I told him, I said, I drew buck tag, so we'll see what happens. He said, well, if you need anything, let me know. That's what he said. Well, that one guy, he hunts up in there. He was there, that's why I didn't go. He was there. There's fresh scrapes right here. Acorns all over, right? I got a trail.
Goddamn sheet metal snips.
Yeah, that one, she was kind of, she was small. I got down, I was trying to shoot her, but got a golf cart. We're on our way out to the hunt site. Stay tuned. Guys, I think I got her. Big doe down. Give her time. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Hey Kelly, this is John. I was just letting you know I'm back here on the golf course and I shot a deer, so I'm looking for a blood trail now.
Sounds good. Can you give me an approximate and I'll come out and help?
I'll give you a call back in probably half an hour. Looks like I got good blood, so once I find it, I'll just give you a call back.
Sounds good.
All right. All right. Thank you. All right. Bye. There we go. Big doe down. Yeah. I just called them, told them I shot a deer and I didn't know how long I was going to be. I just found it. I put a good shot on her right behind the shoulder, so I'm going to gut it and then call them, and I guess should be there shortly. I don't know. It don't matter. I can skin it right on the tailgate. It don't matter to me. I can probably just, yeah, I'll just do that. So I get it gutted, and I found it here. Yeah, I had to wait. She was up on top of the hill. She came out, and I had to wait and wait and wait, and then finally, I guess she was trying to come down there and get them pairs. Yeah. Yeah, I just shot 520, still legal shooting light. It's getting down to the wire though. Alright, well, let me get this thing gutted, and I guess I'll just meet you at the cabin once I get her all checked in and everything. She didn't have enough steam. She tried to go uphill, and she ran over here towards this other guy in number 3, but she didn't make it. Alright. 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 Well. Alright guys, we finally got a doe down. Second day of the park hunt. So we got 2 so far. We'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll catch you on the next one. See you tomorrow. Alright guys, today's the last day of the controlled park hunt. I drew a buck tag on Monday. It was unsuccessful. My buddy, he drew a buck tag. He already has a doe, so hopefully he gets something. We tag out. We're allowed 2 deer. Stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, we're finished up with the park hunt. Finally got our doe cut up, as you can tell. I managed to get 1 deer. My buddy got 1 deer. We both got buck tags, but we were unable to find any bucks. A lot of mass in the woods. I figured the deer were further up in the mountain, so it was a muzzleloader controlled park hunt. And I got Patches here, as you can tell. He's probably itching to get back in the field. Nope. And so yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully get some more hunts in. Sorry for the bad footage there. I had my GoPro turned down, couldn't really get the shot on camera, but all right, stay tuned for the next episode of Fishing and Flushing Outdoors.